not only do we have the experience to get it done, we created this unique platform. What's the key difference between other platforms that you've heard of, for example, Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services, and SAP Cloud Platform? The reality is that we give you everything you need to accomplish business applications quickly. Our primary use cases are to extend both on-prem and cloud apps, to connect people and data, to build differentiating new apps, and integrate all this stuff together and make it work well together. In one picture, this is it. Across the yellow are all our development platforms, the things that make the developer more productive. The orange section is all the different components that are already written for you. So when you want to assemble an application, it's ready to go. You've got database, or you've got API management, you've got portal services, you've got translation to get it to different languages. All this stuff doesn't have to be reinvented every time. And then it connects in the blue area to not only our core properties, but third parties as well. Ultimately, the benefits are you wind up developing faster, you have reusable code, you keep those core systems pristine, and you integrate both SAP and non-SAP systems. I wanted to show you a quick demo of what this really looks like by using Cloud Platform in your business. In this case, I'm going to log on, and it uses standard SAP security to make sure that the logon works successfully, right? So here you've got a portal for the Orchard Company. Across the top is a menu that lets a person access all kinds of different systems with one interface, right? So it combines these different systems that are available to Orchard. The first thing I'm going to click on is going to be notifications. Here you see notifications, and you don't really realize that these notifications are coming from different systems within your enterprise. In the middle section is an HR section, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on updating my career plan, one of the things that it asked me to do, and clicking on that winds up launching SuccessFactors. Now I'm going to go ahead and click and add additional information as required, right? And then I can go back to the portal. So I interfaced another system and moved right along. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on Payslips. Now I'm going to an app that's a Fiori app that's accessing regular ECC to be able to deliver my payroll information. And I can, of course, print that as a PDF or whatever. I'm now going to scroll down to the company news section, and maybe something will catch my eye. When I click there, the portal is going to attach to a third-party system of content. And when I click on that, I can now look at the actual files that are out in this file share that are coming from Ignite. It's going to launch a viewer for Microsoft Office. I can then do things like collaborate, edit, send it to other people, all the kinds of stuff that you would imagine, but all from this one integrated portal powered by Cloud Platform. After that, I'm going to use this left-hand menu, and that menu is going to let me access in a different way. This menu is available everywhere, right? And so I'm going to take a quick look, see all the different things that are available to me. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and open a ticket for HR because I've got a question. This has launched a Hybris Cloud for Service module where I can not only search for frequently asked questions, I can decide to take a look at the tickets that I've already got opened, and I can decide to open up a new ticket if I need to open a new ticket. So I've kind of created a one-place interface for the rest of the system, right? In this case, I'm going to click on information about paternity leave. That's great. Now let me do something else. I'm going to go back over to my menu, and I want to take a look at corporate discounts to see if there's a discount available to me. This launches another third-party app where I have these cards that show all the things that are available to me. What's really cool is that this repository can actually be delivered multiple ways. So for example, if I want to see it on my mobile, we use SAP Mobile Cards, which is a native app that lets you see all that same content directly on your mobile. So it doesn't matter if you're on your mobile or on your desktop, the corporate information is available to you. Let me click on one last thing, which is going to be our Manager Overview app. This app is a custom written app for Orchard. The idea is that I'm a manager within the company. I want to see the compensation related information for all the people that work for me. So the whole point is you can use all these different Cloud Platform components using the APIs and all the different integration tools that could deliver custom apps whenever you want. So I believe that is all I'm going to show at this point. Let me do one more thing. Click on this right menu and go over to Jam, right? I want to be able to send feedback. Sure, here's yet another connection to another SAP application. So what did we use? Going back to my logical use chart, these are all the components that developers use that were already written for them to enable much greater productivity and be able to deliver this portal quickly. So ultimately, SCP's got great momentum. We've got about 10,000 customers using it today. We're over 1 billion hits. We're in 17 different data centers. And the momentum on our App Store and our momentum with our integration content is just growing by the minute.